Welcome to this explainer. Missing the big match because SkyGo crashed on your laptop? Let's fix it fast. Whether the app won't launch or you're just staring at a black screen, these direct steps will help. Windows users, you've got 4 main fixes. Let's start with the usual culprit, the Cisco VideoGuard DRM service. This anti-piracy tool literally causes crashes, so go ahead and uninstall it and SkyGo from your control panel. To clear out those annoying ghost files, you first gotta enable Show Hidden Files right in File Explorer. Next up, navigate to your app.data local folder, find Cisco, and just delete the VideoGuard player folder inside. Head back out, open the local folder, find that exact same VideoGuard player folder, and trash it there too. Finally, pop into the roaming folder. Delete both the Sky and SkyGo folders to wipe the slate clean. Trash your old installer, empty the recycle bin, restart your laptop, and download a fresh installer from Sky. Still stuck? Background screen recorders trigger piracy protections, so close them completely using your task manager. Other background services can conflict too. Use msconfig to hide Microsoft services, disable the rest, and restart. Surprisingly, out-of-sync clocks break DRM too. Jump into your time and language settings and just click Sync Now. Okay, what if you're not on Windows? MacBook users, let's pivot and fix your app right now. For macOS, you'll need a totally clean reinstall. Start by dragging SkyGo from applications straight to trash. To clear leftover app data, just open the Go to Folder menu and enter this exact library path. Delete the SkyGo folder you find there, empty your trash, reboot the Mac, and download the app. One absolutely crucial detail for Apple Silicon Macs, you gotta click Install when prompted for the Rosetta environment. If those deep cleans didn't work, definitely check your network, update your OS, or reach out to Sky Support. Hopefully you're streaming again.